Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 420D M Sport Coupe in Alpine White. So alongside that fantastic exterior colour, you'll also see we fitted a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit to the 4 Series here. Alongside that, to further enhance the exterior, we've added a set of the 19-inch BMW 704M alloys that are in the original Bi-Orbit grey and are in fantastic condition throughout and have the premium mixed run flat tyres. The car is a 2018 18 plate, so it is of course a facelift model, as you can see by the facelift front headlamps. Alongside on the side of the car, we've got the BMW gloss black air breathers, alongside our satin side vinyls, matching sidebars, and of course the YNC Mperformance decals. The car also has the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. And moving through to show you the interior, which again works really nicely with that lighter exterior colour. It has got the black Dakota leather in the front, which comes with both the heated and electric lumbar options. We've also got the superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. And of course, I'll touch upon more of the interior features shortly. Rear seats composed of a nice fixed 3-seat rear bench, central folding armrest, and the darkened M Sport headlining once again. Moving around to the rear of the car, again, I'm going to show you off these lovely alloys that really do make a very eye-catching feature for this 4 Series. Around the back, again, we've went for a high-gloss rear boot spoiler and matching diffuser, and BMW introduced for the facelift, once again, these nice LED rear lights. And if you've not yet seen in the boot space of a 4 Series coupe, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with how large that area really is. Alongside, you do get split folding seats to further enhance that area. Moving on to the driver's side, where again you can see how well the Alpine White works with all of the additions we've made alongside the alloys. And again, you'll be able to see that this is an exceptionally clean and tidy 4 Series. And I shall now go ahead, take a seat inside the vehicle to of course just run yourselves through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. Starting with the professional wide navigation and media screen. And again, we can quickly show you down here is the dual climate control for these, along with the switches for our heated seats. Also equipped to this car is the Connected Drive Plus, which gives you access to online search, news and weather apps, all powered via Google, which is a great way to keep you connected whilst driving. We do of course have a sat-nav, along with real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. Both Bluetooth audio and telephone, along with a huge amount of multimedia inputs, including DAB, music collection, USB, AUX, and of course we've already spoken about the Bluetooth audio. Back at the main menu in just one second, I'll go across and show you the service requirements. As you can see there, it's done 18,143 miles, so a nice low mileage example once again. I did mention the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, has got the cruise control with speed limiter, both voice and volume controls as well. And heading across into the service requirement screen, you can see there the next service is not due for 19,000 miles, and that is thanks to the fact that this vehicle's just been serviced with BMW at 17128, as you can see there. Heading back out of there, hopefully you've enjoyed this walk around video for another fantastically presented Alpine.
Start on the M1 heading north between junction
White 4 Series. Do apologise about that. Thank you, traffic information. Again, thanks for taking the time to watch this walk around video, and hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful. For any further information, please don't hesitate to give us a call. I'll always leave all of the contact information in the description down below. And of course, we'll hopefully see yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you and goodbye.